my channel again. Before we begin today, I want to do an introduction to the pets of the house. Right here on my right, I have Mr. Prince. What's that, Prince? No sugar. And on the left, I have Princess. My pretty and handsome chihuahuas. That's what this is supposed to be. I think they tricked us. They are very busy, very busy. Right? Come on. Come on, this way. Where you going? Where you going, Mama? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? Prince. Prince.
You're watching her kennel.
What's up? Huh? Where's it? Come on. Up, down. Come on. All right. We getting ready to go get hot. Before we begin, I'm going to wash my hands. Sanitation, people, sanitation. We'll be right back. All right, I am back. I done washed them hands. You know, when everybody do their cooking, right? Everybody has a story to tell about their parents, you know. They used to cook this, they used to cook that. We can't be like our parents, because I tell you, my mom and my grandparents, they made some excellent meals. So there's nothing that we cook would taste like them. But today we're going to make a beef stew the way that I do it. I'll say things that I do from the gym to working out, fitness with my kids and different things that I do. It is not, you know, stuff that y'all do. Y'all can emulate from what I do, but it may not be what y'all want to do. So hopefully in my videos, y'all get something out of them. So with that said, we're going to start with my beef stew. So over here, what I have some potatoes that's already been diced. I have my onions was already been cut in eighths. I have my celery. Here, in this I have flour, beef base, salt, pepper, and garlic. Like I said, I keep it simple. Right, but check this out. Before I begin, I'm going to do something, and down in the comments, I want y'all to tell me, what am I getting ready to do, what is it going to be for, and just leave in the comments. So check this out. So once again, if you know what it's going to be, in the comments let me know. You know at the end of this show, you know what this is going to be. We're just going to set it to the side. So all I like to do is take my beef cube already diced up.
Add to my flour. Get it nice and braided.
Mix it up. Once again, wipe my hands off. Favorite, extra light in flavor olive oil. I always like to saute my veggies first. That way I get a better flavor out of them. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to take my celery, dice it up a little bit. Just waiting for it to get hot until I find me a spoon. Alright, I am back now for the sauteing of the veggies. My celery. And my onions. Alright, so what we want to do is make sure these babies are nice and caramelized. Alright, you don't want them to caramelize too much. because once you put them in the beef stew, you want to make sure they still got that crunch to it, and you don't want them to overcook. So we're gonna take these. We're gonna set them off to the side for now. And we're gonna take my other pan, and this is gonna be for the beef cubes. We're gonna brown them. We're gonna brown them off. All right. So what we're going to do right now, just let it cook on a slow heat. Probably take maybe 30-45 minutes for it to cook. So we're going to go on with the surprise right now. But you will not see what was in that container until the end of the video. So guess what? You have to watch the video until the end. Until then, that's a wrap. I am back. What I did, I added some tomatoes. Tomatoes will break down the meat so it'll be nice and tender. So what I'm getting ready to do now, I'm getting ready to add my veggies. Right, then I'm going to thin it out a little bit, because what I had to do was a little thin. So I had to add some thickening agent. Like I said, you can use flour or you can use cornstarch. I chose to use flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it down a little bit. I'm going to add my veggies. Then I'm going to add potatoes. Now, being this, it's a little thick now because I added the thickening agent. As you can see, it's thinning out a little bit more, so what we do, we just let it sit probably another 30 minutes or so until the potatoes get nice and soft. Until then, I'm going to put the lid on this bad boy, keep it on low heat, and just let it go from there. We will be back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is up? I am back. And what you see here is the ending product. Like I said, I hope y'all guys like it. It's something I like to do. Like I say, you can make it however you want it, but with the ingredients I have in here, this is what I'm used to making. But like I said, it's not for everybody. You can pretty much add whatever you want to add in it, but no, this is what I like. Like I say, you want to eat with your eyes. You want to always make it an eye appealing, and this is what I think I did. Now, if you like what you've seen, please subscribe, like, and share. Now, before I go, I had something for y'all guys. When I did the lemon or the lime, the water, and the banana. So just hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. I am back. Check it out. This is what I'm making. So some of y'all guys, if y'all thought it was a banana pudding, that's good. But make sure you put down in the comments what you thought it was. And if you like what you see, you want to know this recipe, put it in the comments. Ask me, I either give you a recipe or I show you how to make it. Once again, subscribe, like, share, and once again, thanks for coming.
Wait,
all right.
Go back in.